Hi, my name is Jessica Johnson. I am doing the second reflective essay for my externship with Trillium Health, and I am recording this in February. So my first question, how often do you meet with your supervisor and how does he convey assignments? So the what? I meet with my supervisor every Tuesday for about an hour, and he conveys assignments usually after that via email. It will have a detailed assignment of what I need, and then also documents attached to it that might be helpful to that. The so what? I like this format because it's regular, it's organized, it's predictable, it fits with both of our schedules, and it also allows me to have two formats to ask questions, one when we're meeting and one through email. What now? I think that I would like to continue this form of communication and assignments because of the advantages of it that I just mentioned, and just to continue forward with that. Also to be responsible and making sure I show up on time for those meetings, making sure I respond to those emails, things that would continue that sort of format. Have you found the assignments to be difficult or easy or somewhere in between? The what? I have found the first assignment to be extremely difficult and the second one to be somewhere in between. The first assignment was a research question in an area of law I had no idea about, and a topic I had no idea about, and with a supervisor I was new to and didn't really have a relationship with. And so it was extremely difficult for me to even know where to start on this. And the so what, because of the difficulty of it, I was able to get over my apprehension for asking my supervisor questions. I also was able to get familiar with lots of different areas that were helpful to this part of law, different laws to research. And so because of the difficulty, I felt like I really got acclimated to this area of law, and it was a good sink or swim introduction for me. Also, it allowed my second assignment, which I'm working on now, which is a policy issue, a thing that we're writing up, to be easier in that I have a relationship and can ask questions more readily to my supervisor. What now? I hope to use that skill that I learned of researching, also the skill I learned of talking with my supervisor, and move forward with it and continue. And hopefully I grow as each assignment is given and return better work. Last question. What feedback have you received? So have I received so far, and was it helpful? What? So as I said earlier, we communicate via video conference and also email. Most of the feedback I receive is through the video conference. The so what, I feel like it is a really good format for me to receive feedback because I get to see his expression, I get to see his mood, I get to see his approach through his communication that's nonverbal. And I find that to be extremely helpful. And also the feedback that he gives me is very detailed. And so far he hasn't said anything that really has made me feel bad about myself, which I appreciate because I know I'm making a ton of mistakes in this area. And so the what now, I hope to continue to approach him with questions and to ask for feedback, and also to make good on the feedback I've received, because I feel like if you follow up and try and do what he's asking, then he'll be more readily available to give more feedback. And so I hope to do that as I continue on. That concludes my second essay. Thank you.